This is Sandy Garcia. Just want to go over these markets one more time. Nothing's really changed. We're still in a downtrend, and basically we yesterday did absolutely nothing. We're up a little bit, down a little bit, but if you could tell, we're kind of starting to hold these lows, and I don't know. It could go lower as far as I'm concerned. The Dow Jones is still in the downtrend, and just to take a broader look out, I mean, there's nothing holding this market up until these lows at 10,600. So I'm looking for this to go down a little bit further. Take a look at the S&Ps. We're still getting these lows taken out. So this is just starting. Um, as you can tell, this is trying to make its way lower, and if anything, before the end of this year, it's going to be a little worse. The Nasdaq here, we're looking at holding. We're looking at going towards these lows, another 200 points. As you know, we got through this level, so this level is no longer valid. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm looking at Nasdaq like 2100 or something like that before we see any retracement up to the high side. Take a look at some of the sectors. Basically, healthcare is kind of like the only one that's really doing anything in terms of making any progress. Let me see. One of the stocks that I was looking at was let's see, it was Amgen, and this one. Let me bring it up real quick. This is Amgen, and it's one of the biotech companies. This one's going higher. I can tell that people are starting to invest in medicine, biotechnology, and stuff like that for the baby boomers. So, if anything, this would be the place to be. If you could tell, we're starting to break through some resistance here, and this is looking very bullish. Basically, we came on a weekly, we came up through these levels, and I'm looking for this to basically come down and then basically work its way back up. So that's going to be going forward. Some of the biotechs are going to be some of the stronger performers. That was Amgen. Another one I'm looking for is Celgene, and let me bring that one up. Again, this one is looking pretty intriguing here. We got a little trend that's developing here, and we've also broken through this wedge. So if you notice here, that wedge is being broken, and that's on a longer term time frame. So we've again gone up and through this. We should come down and then start working our way up, and this is going to be more of a longer term play, but for the meantime, just keep an eye on it. Some of the other ones that I'm looking at, just keeping an eye on this. This is Continental. Just watching this to get a gauge on the airlines. You know, the airlines are just going down. We're in this channel here, and this is basically going to take some hurting. So I'm looking for this to go down a little bit further, and for special interest, I could see this basically just crumbling. I don't know. It could be a $2 stock before too long. Another one that I was looking at. This one is one of my favorites, and this is really taking a pounding. So I'm actually getting out of it. Once we broke through this level, that's pretty bearish for me. But we also have this level right here that should hold, at least for the interim, and it's going to allow me to possibly get out of some of my positions, hopefully. Some of the other ones that I'm looking at are these agricultural stocks. Agricultural stocks have been beaten up, and I think they're going to go lower. They basically put in a top, and I don't think we're gonna come back to these old highs. If you notice, I had a line of support here, and it got taken out. So this is gonna go lower. It's, like I said, gonna come back, bounce up against this top, and then for this one just to roll over and die, at least for the meantime. So we'll go ahead and put a little support action right here, and for the meantime, but I don't think this is going to hold in the long term. Some of the other ones that I've been looking at are the ETFs. Let's go ahead and look at the energies. The energies are actually starting to roll over and die. Here's one right here, and this is basically on the long term looking bearish. So let me move my support level down to these lows, and basically, as you can tell, we're going to go lower. So I'm looking for a retracement up into this 85 level, and then we're going to, once again, this should come and do that. Some of the other ETFs that I'm watching is gold. Gold is looking, as you can tell, we just get a little retracement rally, and we hit these support levels. So I think this was ready to move higher. You know, gold inflation, or should I say inflation, is really kicking up, and people are starting to feel the heat. So this is going higher. Another one that I'm looking at is the USO, and basically this is the oil fund. This is a way to play oil, and you know, I don't know, we're really not making too much progress, but then again, it's just sitting above these highs. So I'm looking for this one to actually sit on this level and then work its way higher. Let's see if we got any more. The XLF. The XLF is basically a way to play the financials, and if you can tell, this was my old resistance level, and we broke through it. We actually hit it on this little spot right here, and then we started to melt. So I don't know, this could actually make some gains before the end of the year. You know, anything's possible, and I don't really see this just rolling over and die. This actually represents all the banks, but I see a lot of the big banks failing soon, and this financial market is in trouble. So I'll keep you guys up to date, and the only thing to do is stay alert and stay excited. We'll see you next time.